guys, welcome back to my channel. We are finally in Moab. Today we are going to be doing Gemini Bridges Trail. We're going to try to do another one if we have time. But yeah, so we're at the beginning of the trail. We're just airing down right now. But super excited to try it out, see how good the suspension is. Hopefully it's good for the money, but guess we'll find out. So this is the first trail that we're going to do today. We're about halfway through the Gemini Bridges Trail. Pulled over, give the Jeep a little break, let Hazel get a break, and just take in the view. Jeep's doing pretty good. It's been in two-wheel drive pretty much the whole time. Here down 25. Baby's a beast. Sorry about you, Nick.
Broken fucking nickname.
Don't even think about it. It's not. Hazel, careful. Hazel, no, that's far enough. No. We just got done Gemini Bridges Trail. It was really fun. I mean, it was kind of easy too. It wasn't really that challenging. So if you were looking for an easier trail to do in Moab to kind of like break your Jeep in or kind of test it, it's definitely a good one to do. But we're gonna go into town now, go get some lunch, and then try to find another trail to do. It's only 2 o'clock, so we have the rest of the day. James is just airing out the tires now. And yeah, so stay tuned. So we just dropped off Hazel at the camper. And we're gonna go do a 30 mile, 30 miles, right? Like 30 mile, 33 mile trail. It's called 7 Mile to Soberine. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that.
33.8.
Oh, 33.8. But let's get it.
You're good. Just take your time. You don't want to hit it real hard. You want to break something. There you go. No, you're good. Like slight adjustments. Keep coming. All right, straighten out your wheel. Come straight at me. No. Straight at me. All right. All right, now straighten. Put your wheel this way. You're good.
I want to take a picture.
What'd you do?
Having a slight panic attack at each and every obstacle. This one now, we are on the side of a cliff. It's very slippery. This is the view from the top of the trail. Ooh, pretty.
Come my way just a little. And just keep your wheels straight and just go straight down. You're fine. Give it momentum. You're good, go. There you go. Good job.